we're going to look at programming these contoured face areas. As I mentioned, we have some new enhancements in 2024 that will make it a lot easier to program these fillets. So we're going to go in and we're going to do a 3-axis. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to rough some of this material out around these fillets and around this contoured face over here. So we're going to use horizontal roughing. And we're going to remove that default region. And we're going to select two regions two nested regions in order to rough out in between those two regions. So we've got a perimeter curve here, and then we have an interior curve. So let's go ahead and select both of those. There's our outer perimeter, and here we're going to go in there and select our inner perimeter. So the roughing is going to occur between these two regions, and we won't worry about the start point or part surfaces in the roughing. We're going to use our smaller flat end mill since we got a tight fillet in here. And tolerance, roughing tolerances is fine. We'll leave 25 thousandths of stock. Offset cut pattern to go around it. And we use a mixed cut direction. All of this is pretty much okay. The cut levels, everything is okay. So we're not going to do anything special. We're just going to remove some material. We have no flat areas to clear or anything. We're going to use just a helix engagement, and it will put some arcs in there. So let's just generate that. So here is the roughing. It just took out some material over here and around the fillet perimeter. Okay, so let's go ahead and simulate that. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and put them in the questions bar. So we're going to do our roughing. Let's speed this up.
Hey, Don, there was a question on how to change start points on profiling. So when you get a chance, maybe you can show that.
Okay. We are going to do a profile on the bottom side to clear this out. Or we can go ahead and talk about the start points here if you want. We can do that now. So there's our roughing operation.